it's all on this story about a shot. You know what you do. It's a Canterbury is far in Europe. Our Ballycroy is coming to a pre-evolving of us, Íntoch an Áit, of us an Áis na Dúra shot. Of us Turim Lish, and it's not either winter or hot shot of us in Ballycroy. I'm really delighted to be here in beautiful Mayo today, close to some of the finest examples of intact banking quality in Western Europe. I'm trying down, really appreciate the vastness and beauty here. I know that the many conversations with the West staff here is strong and deep connection, I think Derek alluded to as well, between local people and the land. A connection that finds its way into music, into culture, into poetry, and into writing. I'd like to welcome the pupils from the National School. This is some of your artwork here, is it, on the walls? Local artists, it's really very beautiful, thank you. So good of us. Pip and I are just really privileged to be here. It's just such a warm welcome, and thanks to everybody. And I know we're here celebrating the Life Project, but it's also great to see some people in real life. I haven't seen Kieran O'Keefe in real life. I think we've seen on the screen for about a year and a half. And it's fantastic to see you here. It's great to see you here as well. And it's also the start of Biodiversity Week, so we're mindful of lots of activities across the country to celebrate Biodiversity Week, starting today right to the end of next week. And I think Michael's contribution is really very powerful, and we're certainly at the same neighbourhoods who work for farmers, it's not going to work for nature. So we really believe that, and I think that's when we talk about that challenges there of doing this in the past for national parks and wildlife service. Those days of conflictual or that side, that's over. We need to collaborate. If we're going to work to save nature, I think it has to be a collaborative approach, and I thank you for your contribution here as well. And I can think no better way of celebrating National Biodiversity than launching this €20 million blanket fog restoration project that puts farmers and communities and the ecological health of the landscapes that they work and live in at the heart of its efforts. I believe that the collaborative approaches like this one are the best way to deliver a real impact and a lasting impact for nature. And this is especially true when programmes and activities are aligned with core priorities that people already care about. And we can see from the turnout here today that there's a huge appetite to protect and to improve our environment and to ensure that we continue to strengthen the social fabric of our rural communities. A few months ago I visited the Delphi area, met with people with Martin and some of the other farmers involved in the opening rhododendron project of the Wild Atlantic Nature Life Project. And it's a great example of the successes already underway as part of the agri-environment programme. And it was just amazing to see the pearl mussel as well, thriving in the waters there. Sorry about this. It was really quite special. We did have to put a disclaimer on a tweet later on that was holding the shell of the pearl mussel, that no pearl mussel were harmed in making that video. But to see farming activity taking place, quite a range of activity, land use activities taking place around in that catchment, and yet the waters are still in pristine condition. So it's a great opportunity, I think, to learn from that as well. And the protection of our blanket rock habitats is vitally important as we work to address our biodiversity and our climate crisis. And I'm confident that this project will deliver many benefits in the area, social, environmental and economic. And through the creation of small-scale pilot projects, together we can demonstrate the possibilities for change and build support for scaling up on these good ideas. Of course, nature conservation is a multifaceted, complex issue, and it requires significant investment, not just of money, but also people's time, energy, knowledge and goodwill. But as we can see here today, giving you your time, we see that collaboration, and I think even down to Derek performing and writing, composing the music in the video. That's the type of collaboration we see that's happening right across, people putting their shoulder to the wheel all the time. And there's a huge amount of knowledge in this room here as well today. And we look with the local school child, learning about the local farmers, so in-depth knowledge of the land and how best to manage it. Scientists working across different disciplines, community development workers, NGOs and all others, all the different skill sets but all equally important becomes to protecting our environment and supporting our local communities. Communication is vital to making all of these things work, and we need to engage with and listen to each other in a constructive dialogue so that we can see and appreciate each other's perspectives and points of view. We need to look at opportunities to network, to partner and connect on the issues that are important to us. We need to share stories and ideas, celebrate successes and learn from our failures. We need to find the right language that can generate support and make a good idea grow. We need to enable participation as a means of learning, engaging and connecting with others, because actions are what drive our emotions. If we give people the opportunity to act, we can build capacity in the local population and ensure that local people are equipped with the skills required for long-term conservation. This is key to dealing with complex environmental issues and a cornerstone of the approach taken by this wildland nature. Overall, this project will develop locally based skills and expertise in long-term management of blanket bogs and provide additional income and employment opportunities within local communities. The project builds on the success of previous and ongoing projects and the target areas and leverages existing structures such as local community groups, project partners and other state agencies. And this helps to build synergies with the existing work and forge new relationships. It's this cooperative approach is one of the primary reasons that this project will be a success. I really want to thank Derek McLaughlin and all of the WSLife team and the local community involved in an important part in making this happen. I think it's really critically important that projects like this are celebrated nationally. I think that really, we know that we have a big week this week for nature, but also a big year ahead of us. And we're mindful of the immense challenges that we face, a race against time really. But today here in Mayo, I have great hope that through collective actions we can make nature flourish again and have vibrant farming communities and rural communities as well. I just want to thank Breed as well, and the team at the back, for putting on a wonderful occasion for us and the use of this fantastic space here at the Community Hall. I hope that we So today is a day for great celebration and a day that we will be mindful and reflective of the challenges that we have ahead of us. But as I said, from the conversations we've had over the tea, I see a huge collective will for this project to succeed, and it will succeed, there's no doubt about it. Mr. Hackett and I will continue to look in and see how things go. Pip was at me later, and I'm looking forward to spending a few more days here as well. But it's really exciting and inspiring day, and I thank you all for such a warm welcome. And I think I suppose I have to officially declare the project launched. So,